ẹ̀yin tèmi gbangba ti wá dẹkùn o gbangba ti dẹkùn báyìí kedere ti wá bẹ̀ wò ọ̀rọ̀ Ọlásùnkànmí tí wọ́n gbẹ̀mí ẹ̀ ní LASU student Ọlásùnkànmí student tí wọ́n gbẹ̀mí ẹ̀ ní LASU gbangba ti wá dẹkùn kedere ti wá bẹ̀ wò fẹ́ẹ̀kan tẹ́lẹ̀ a rò pé àwọn ọlọ́pàá wọn ò fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́ yẹn ni nítorí pé a gbọ́ pé ìkan nínú àwọn tí ó ṣiṣẹ́ bíi ẹbí ọlọ́pàá ni àṣà àwọn fámìlì ọlọ́pàá tí ẹ pọ̀ fámìlì ọlọ́pàá pọ̀ nínú àwọn tó ṣiṣẹ́ bíi wọ́n ti rí òkú Súnkànmí wọ́n ti rí òkú Súnkànmí níbi tán in fact ǹjẹ́ jẹ́ mọ̀ wípé ṣé mọ̀ pé information tá a kọ́kọ́ gbọ́ tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ òun ni wípé wọ́n sin òkú Súnkànmí sí ẹ̀yìnkùlé church mo rò pé ńgbà tí information yẹn tó lọ fáà bóyá rẹ́ni tó sọ fún pásítọ̀ àbáwọn tó jọ ṣe pé ó dàbẹ̀ ní pé ọ̀rọ̀ yìí táwọn ọlọ́pàá bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ ìwádìí wọ́n máa wá sí ẹ̀yìn ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì yẹn o wọ́n dẹ̀ máa rí òkú yẹn bẹ́ẹ̀ o ẹ jẹ́ ká lè ti lọ hú òkú yẹn kó ń bẹ́ẹ̀ o wọ́n wá hú òkú Súnkànmí wọ́n wá hú kó ń bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n wá rìn sókè ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì díẹ̀ wọ́n ní gbogbo ìtàn fi rìn láti ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì síbi tó tún ṣe pé kò ju bíi 100 feet lọ ẹ ti mọ̀ wípé information tó kọ́kọ́ jáde ẹ̀yìn ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì ni àwọn èèyàn máa lọ máa target wọ́n wá rìn sókè ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì díẹ̀ wọ́n wá lọ tún òkú yẹn bẹ́rì síbẹ̀ ẹ tún wá wo the funnest part aṣọ ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì aṣọ orí pẹpẹ wọ́n lóhun ni wọ́n tún olúwa o ẹ tún fi aṣọ ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì aṣọ orí pẹpẹ tó yẹ pé ẹni aṣọ ọ̀wọ̀ ni ẹni kò gbọdọ̀ fọwọ́ kàn kò gbọdọ̀ dábòra òun lẹ gbà tẹ́ ẹ̀ mọ ibi tẹ́ ẹ̀ ti lè lọ ra aṣọ mọ́ àbẹ́rù ń báyìí wípé tẹ́ ẹ bá lọ ra aṣọ wọ́n máa tún ka yín wípé aṣọ yìí kí lẹ fẹ́ fi I don't know tẹ́ ẹ fi decide wípé aṣọ orí pẹpẹ òun ni wọ́n tún lọ fi rìbẹ́rì Ọlásùnkànmí kódà tẹ́ ẹ bá tún gbàgbé mo tún sọ fún yín wípé wọ́n ní àwọn méjì kan tó jẹ́ àwọn alágbára pé wọ́n wà ní ìdí ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn pé wọ́n ti na pápá bora ta ló sọ fún yín pọ́lọ́pàá kì í ṣiṣẹ́ ṣé mọ̀ pé mo máa ń sọ fún yín ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ máa ń fọ́lò ìkànnì yìí dáadáa mo ti sọ bí ẹ̀ẹ̀mejì àbẹ́ ẹ̀mẹ́ta tẹ́ ẹ bá gbàgbé mo ní mi ò rántí yí ẹ̀yẹn nìkan ni mi ò lè parọ́ ẹ̀ mi ò rántí yí ẹ̀yẹn mo nígbà tí wọ́n rètí àwọn ọlọ́pàá in the whole world àwọn good police àwọn good intelligent police good investigator police nígbà tí wọ́n rètí wọn in the whole world tẹ́ ẹ bá gbàgbé mo sọ fún yín mo ní Nàìjíríà ló take number 2 position Nàìjíríà àwọn náà take number 2 position Nàìjíríà ni ìlú tí mo mọ̀ wípé tán bá mú ẹ tán bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní investigate ẹ̀ tán bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní tọ́ṣọ ẹ̀ I can bet you ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tó ṣẹ̀ wà dẹ̀ máa jẹ́wọ́ ẹ̀ pé ìwọ ló ṣe. tán bá ní ta ló pa Ọbáfẹ́mi Awólọ́wọ̀ wọn ò tí ì bí ẹ o wọn ò tí ì bí ẹ nígbà tí Ọbáfẹ́mi Awólọ́wọ̀ kú o tán bá ń bí ẹ pé ta ló pa Ọbáfẹ́mi Awólọ́wọ̀ wà máa sọ pé èmi ni sà èmi ni sà èmi ni sà mí wà ìwọ̀n ọ̀dẹ̀ tí ì bí ẹ nígbà tí Awólọ́wọ̀ kú so báwo lọ ọmọ tán tí ì bí ṣe fẹ́ pa ẹni tó ti kú ẹ ti rí níbi táwọn ọlọ́pàá Nàìjíríà tán gbé mú èèyàn tọ́ṣọ̀dé wọ́n mọ ibi tán lè pín láàrin tó jẹ́ pé nǹkan tó ṣe ó máa jẹ́wọ́ ẹ̀ but kí ló dé tá a fi máa ń rí wọn bí ẹni tí ò ṣiṣẹ́ kí ló dé tá a fi máa ń rí wọn bí ẹni tó ti gbàbọ̀dè torí pé tó bá ti náwó kan àwọn ọ̀gá wọn nínú táwọn ọ̀gá wọn bá ti ní interest sí tọ́wọ́ bá ti kọwọ́ dọ́dọ̀ àwọn ọ̀gá wọn wàá máa gbọ́ order from above order from above àìmọye ọlọ́pàá tó yẹ pé wọ́n ti fún èmi kìíní tó ti confess fún mi dáadáa wípé eléyẹlé ó níbi tá a lè ṣiṣẹ́ dé ibi tán bá fẹ́ ká ṣe dé la máa ṣe dé ibi tán bá fẹ́ ká rí dé la máa rí dé ìyí tó bá kọjá yí ẹnu wa tó gbé iṣẹ́ ìlú sórí pé àníṣe mo fẹ́ mọ rúùtù ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ibi tó máa bá rẹ̀ òun kò ní expect ẹ̀ abúlé tó yẹ pé ohun ẹyẹ nìkan ló máa gbọ́ ibẹ̀ ni wọ́n máa transfer lọ pé àìmọye àwọn tó ti ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ fún pé at the end of the day wọ́n resign kó nínú iṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá ni wọ́n resign kó nínú iṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá àìmọye wọn because spirit wípé a fẹ́ ṣòótọ́ ó wà nínú wọn but nígbà táwọn ọ̀gá wọn bá lè ti kó pápẹ́ sọ lọ́wọ́ wọn pé àníṣe ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ kọjá ibẹ̀ yẹn order from above òun náà ló ṣe ń fa kéèsì justice for Mohbad till now àwọn méjì tí wọ́n sọ pé wọ́n sá kúrò nílùú yìí wọ́n ti wá wọn rí o wọ́n ti wá wọn rí wọ́n náà ti arrest wọn ẹ tún wá wo the funniest part wọ́n tún ti dictate àwọn kan tó tún lọ́wọ́ sí art ṣẹ́rí ẹni olùfẹ́ mi ọ̀rọ̀ yóò lè dùn lẹ́nu mi ọ̀rọ̀ yìí kò lè dùn lẹ́nu mi ẹ wá gbọ́ lẹ́nu arákùnrin ọ̀rọ̀ yóò lè dùn lẹ́nu mi wọ́n ṣe hu òkú ẹ̀ ibi tí wọ́n kọ́ sí òkú ẹ̀ sí ibi tí wọ́n tún wá lọ sín sí àwọn tó tún wá mú lẹ́yìn ìgbà yẹn ọmọ ìyá méjì tó tún wá tún mú tí ìyá wọn fẹ́ kó wọn sá lọ ó ti kó wọn dé Kútọ́nù wọ́n fẹ́ sá lọ sí Belgium wọ́n ti gba passport wọ́n ti gba visa àwọn ọlọ́pàá yìí wọ́n tún tẹ ọkọ̀ létí dé Kútọ́nù láti lọ arrest wọn ẹ wá sọ pé ọlọ́pàá Nàìjíríà kì í ṣiṣẹ́ ẹ wá gbọ́.
It's the name of our church. I'm concerned about the name of our church. Let me tell you something. In this case, tí wọ́n bá fa dáadáa tó bá fa kéèsì dáadáa ìjọ yín orúkọ ìjọ inú epo ló wọ̀ sùkánà yìí tó funfun inú epo báyìí lè rí bọ̀.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
You know why? The first person that was arrested on this case was the daughter of the shepherd. Mary Wepetoji. She was the daughter of the shepherd. And when they got her arrested, they asked her, who sends money to you? Who sends you a recharge card? She received a recharge card of 10,000 naira from the account of this man that they buy. The son of a shepherd. Is that not incriminating enough? Is that not enough for you guys to use your hand and cover your face? Ṣé kò yẹ kẹ́ fọwọ́ bojú? Ẹ má bínú orí mi pa nítorí àwọn ṣe dé fìlà mi fẹ́ káwọn èèyàn rí pórí mi pa. Ṣé kò yẹ kẹ́ fọwọ́ bojú ọmọ pásítọ̀ ọmọ olùṣọ́ àgùntàn ó gba owó sí àkáǹtì èèyàn tí wọ́n gbé tó dẹ̀ pa tí wọ́n yanjú ẹ̀ dànù. Gbogbo ilé jáde ojú òtí you guys are very shameless. You cannot even cover your eyes and say so the girl was the first person that was arrested. They asked her who sent money to you. The name of the person was Sheriff Adebayo Rabiu. He was the person that sent money and recharge cards to the daughter of the shepherd. So what they did was to ask her, where is Sheriff? Where is this guy? Where do you know him from? He said, he doesn't know his house, but he's a member of their church. Because ọmọ olùṣọ́ àgùntàn ẹni ni. Ṣé kò kọ́sẹ̀lẹ̀? Ọtí kọ́sẹ̀lẹ̀ náà.
Bàjẹ́.
Ìméjì wo lẹ ṣe fẹ́ bò ń bẹ̀? Nígbà tó ọmọ olùṣọ́ yín ti ń gba owó apani, ẹni tó ń gbé tó lọ padà nù. Ẹ wọnú àkáǹtì ẹ̀ tẹ́bẹ̀. Tó bá yẹ pé Nàìjíríà níjọba, if Nigeria has law, everybody that share money from the account of that guy, everybody don't transfer owó sí. All of them will be a suspect and they will be arranged.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Every individual.
Gbogbo orí ẹ̀ kọ́kọ́.
Ọmọ olùṣọ́ àgùntàn gba owó ẹni tẹ́ ń gbé tí wọ́n pa. Ẹ lọ́wọ́ we posted some pictures, but those pictures we have removed them because of Facebook. We're concerned about Facebook. If you look at the picture that was taken from the place, orí ẹ̀ kúrò ní bọ́dí ẹ̀. Gbogbo ara ẹ̀ ni wọ́n pieces láti January 16. Ìjọba yẹn rí bí wọ́n ṣe lọ wú yẹn, ẹ̀ rí pé ibi tó ń kọ́kọ́ sin sí kọ́ yẹn, that was not the first place he was buried. Second place ibi tí wọ́n move ẹ̀ lọ nìyẹn, and they thought that place is far away from the church. It's even less than 100 meters away from the church, or even less than 100 feet. Let me say 100 feet. The police did the measurement. I'm sure they are going to come out with their own report. So the girl said, I don't know the house of Sheriff, but he's a member of our church. Second criminal suspect, a member of our church. So they said, okay, where can you take us to so that we can find Sheriff? She said, I know his father's house. And then they took her to the father's house. Fortunately, when God will make his way, they met the father of Sheriff, Adebayo Rabiu. They met the mother, and then they asked about Sheriff, and the parents said, Sheriff is inside. So they went to Sheriff, they got him, and they got him arrested. They were asking him question, why did you send money from this guy's account? How did, those transactions, every information was coming out. And so Sheriff now said, he's his friend that brought the phone of this guy to him. And those are information from Oku police station. But I have another confession that the sheriff made, so that we are not going to be as if we are overlooking or we are interfering with the investigation of Nigerian Police State Criminal Investigation Department. We are not going to post some of those things or even talk about. We can talk about them, we can analyze, but I'm not going to post the video. Oh my God! So that was how Sheriff was arrested. So when I got to the police station, they discovered that the first transfer that Sheriff made was in the middle of the night when half of the world were dead at sleep. And that money was sent to Olusho Babani and Wepetoji. But even at the police station, when the lady was asked, Mary Wepetoji was asked to make a report, when she was asked to make a statement, she wrote her name and then she put her father's name, where Babani. That was where the family got to know that this name was even the first person that received money. Because some of the investigation, the preliminary investigation that was done with Alliance, they were coming out and they were using every means, every tools that they were able to assess and get justice for this. If it was the way they just report to the Nigerian police station and they went back home, it's not going to be easy. We won't be where we are today. We won't even see justice. Because the police will tell them, oh, okay, we'll track. So many things happen. So, Sheriff is a member of CCC Ilerioluwa Parish, Lasutu. Mary is the daughter of the shepherd of CCC Ilerioluwa, Lasutu. And then Waliu Akonishola was another individual that got money from that account. Olaoluwa Ajisomo, Omolana Ajisomo, Teniola Ajisomo. These three people are the same family. And they are related to Sheriff. They are cousins to Sheriff. And now let me tell you another interesting thing. Ajisomo's father, the Ajisomo's family, their father is a police officer, currently serving. So when the father was like, let's check the phone of Sheriff. Why this the way you police are doing? Can you collect his phone and check his phone? They got his phone, they checked his phone. That was where they saw him with a gun. Now let me clarify the parts of they saw gun or axe in the altar. That was the report we got. Everybody understand that I don't live in Okoko Maiko. I'm not in Okoko. So that was the information we got. However, the people that came to do that particular thing were not police officer. But I'm sure police are on top of their job. We are not doing the police job. We're just having a dialogue over this issue. We're having a conversation. Now, the most interesting thing about the Ajishomo's family is that one of them, maybe they called another victim, another suspect, junior or so, actually opened up to the. If you are interested in this information with regard this case, call us. We will give you information to the family and to all the people that are also advocating on this case. So some journalists contacted CRC. We gave the numbers of the police in Panti. We gave the numbers of the police in Ocho police station. We gave the contacts of the family, all to them. And all of them have been responsive to people who cares. So we were surprised that our own church will write a long essay like that, and they were stating it. And like Bakaude Ajala used the letter-headed paper on the website of Celestial Church to say that the shepherd have been granted administratively when you didn't even know what has happened. That was a stale news. That was an old school news from Ojo. And so when the pressure was much, they transferred this case to Panti. And so now let me go back to the Ajishomo's family. The mother, Omolara Ajishomo, already got like Belgium visa to herself and her children. And when they saw all of this news online and the children already confessed, 2 of the children were involved in this case, they were suspect. The mother had to sell her properties, move out of where she was living, run away so that they can pass through Kutonu. So the parents with the family, they moved straight away to Kutonu, and they were about to travel to wherever they want to go to Belgium. So, but we have to give this credit to Panti, State Criminal Investigation Department, that they were very active on this response. They traveled as far as Cotonou when news already started online. So they went to Cotonou and they got the mother arrested. They seized her passports and one of the passports of the son as well with visa anyway. So they got them back. So all of those things went on till Olalua was arrested. However, let me now tell you that when they took them to the community, they took the shepherd and sheriff to the community, and sheriff said in his confession, I have the records. Sheriff stated that there were 5 in number. Wow. And all 5 of them are members of that church. They come to the church. In fact, he said that there was a vigil on Wednesday, which was
5. Ṣé ti gbọ́? Àwọn márùn-ún.
The 15th of that was on the 15th. Okay, maybe on the 16th. On the 16th, there was a vigil, and the next day there was a vigil, or there was a vigil on Wednesday, and there was a vigil on Thursday. So 16 and 17, or 15 and 16, there was a vigil. How come there was a vigil in that church, and this boy was spy in that same premises of the church? Because the place where they exhumed the body, if you check that place, is not far from the church. That's why they use other clothes to go and wrap the body. Aṣọ pẹpẹ tá n kúnlé tá n sọ pé dona abuse dana ẹ̀yin màlẹ́kà ẹ máa ẹ̀yin tẹ́ gorí òkè ẹ má fa aṣọ pẹpẹ bóra aṣọ pẹpẹ yẹn ló fi wó òkú tí wọ́n pa sí ó jọ kàté kò jọ kàté àbí báwo la ṣe ń pa òwe yẹn
ẹ sá padà kan
kò jọ gàté ṣé ẹsẹ̀ méjèèjì kò jọ.
Ó jọ gàté kò jọ gàté ó fẹsẹ̀ méjèèjì tiro ẹ ṣe sọ nìyẹn.
Olúwa confessed when he was arrested, and I think that Celestial need to be concerned. The reason why we should be concerned is that let's even say Olusho is innocent. How come that the so guys, we need to
ẹ wo a ò nítorí àwíjàre kí tó lẹ́nu mo rò pé ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ mi ẹ ti gbọ́ more details lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Olasukanmi ẹ ti gbọ́ àwọn tó sọ pé wọ́n wà ní ìdí ẹ̀ àwọn márùn-ún ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ tó yẹ pé family tó ń lọ sínú the same church bí family tó wà nídìí ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ mi ẹ ò ní sọmọnù o ẹ ò ní sọmọnù àwọn ọmọ yín ò ní rárá o ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá mi share fídíò yìí kéde bá mi subscribe sí EYIN Global TV ẹ bá mi share ẹ jẹ́ kí àwọn tí wọn ò tí mọ̀ bí tọ́rọ̀ ìgbédé ẹ jẹ́ káwọn náà jàǹfààní ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá mi share ẹ gbọ́ bí ọ̀rọ̀ òkú Olasukanmi ṣe lọ ọmọ ọlọ́mọ wọ́n dẹ̀ lóhun ni breadwinner nínú ilé wọn òun ni breadwinner òun ni bàbá àti ìyá tí wọ́n rówó lé lórí pé tó bá lè yàn tó bá yanjú á lè gbé àwọn á dẹ̀ lè máa gbé àwọn àbúrò ẹ̀ tó kù bíríkìlà ni bàbá ẹ̀ wọ́n lẹ́jà nìyẹn ń ta ẹ wò owó ẹja owó bíríkìlà kó wá fi rán ọmọ ní yunifásitì ọmọ ti wá graduate ó ti lọ sí service ó tásìkò tí ọmọ wa yẹ kó máa wá mú owó wá fún àwọn òbí ẹ̀ kó máa wá tọ́jú àwọn òbí ẹ̀ ẹ̀yin wá dẹ̀mí ọmọ náà légbodò gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ lọ́wọ́ sínú kínní ẹ ò ní lọ láì jìyà ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ yín gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ lọ́wọ́ sí àti gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń gbẹ̀mí èèyàn tẹ́ ń dẹ̀mí èèyàn légbodò bọ́lọ́hun ṣe ń jẹ́ ọlọ́run gbogbo yín làṣírí màmá tú àṣírí yín ò tún bò mọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀yin apànìyàn nílùú Nàìjíríà gbogbo ẹ̀yin apanijayé nílùú Nàìjíríà gbogbo ẹ̀yin tó jẹ́ pé kẹ́ẹ̀kan máa pààyàn kẹ́ẹ̀ máa fi wọ́n ṣoògùn kẹ́ẹ̀ máa fi wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ òun ní ìgbésí ayé tiyín àṣírí yín ò tún bò mọ́ ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá mi share fídíò yìí ẹlẹ́dàá Olasukanmi kò gbàbọ̀dè lóòótọ́ ẹ ti pa but ó tún yín láṣìírí àṣírí yín ò dẹ̀ tún ní bò mọ́ lágbára Èdùmàrè ẹ bá mi share fídíò yìí kẹ́ẹ̀ bá mi subscribe sí EYIN Global TV tábà tó wá gbọ́ any information lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Olasukanmi máa tún wá máa ń fún yín but níbi tí ọ̀rọ̀ gbédé báyìí no going back case tí wàá bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀rẹ̀ o gbogbo àwọn tó wà nídìí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí gbogbo wọn pátápátá ni ọlọ́pàá ti arrest àti yìí tó fẹ́ sá lọ àtàwọn tó ti sá lọ already wọ́n ní wọ́n ti lọ mú wọn Olúwa ṣeun Olúwa ṣeun Olúwa ṣeun ìlú Nàìjíríà ò ní bàjẹ́ o ìlú Nàìjíríà ò ní bàjẹ́ o ẹ bá mi share fídíò yìí kẹ́rẹ́ bá mi subscribe sí EYIN Global TV mo tún padà bọ̀ ire o.